Hello everyone, this is NielsensTv of Denmark. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to make a reaction video.
Konnichiwa.
Yes, konnichiwa. And we are going to Japan, the land of the rising sun. Yes, and this
Nippon.
video, yes, and this video is from the first take. Yesterday, the Friday, first take released a new video, and this is a new artist. It says here that he is a vocalist of this band, and it says here the global Japanese boy group formed through a reality competition show produced 101 Japan, broadcasted in 2019. 11 of them chosen out of 101 contenders by the viewers, also called national producers. One take performance of their debut song Mugendai, having the main vocalist Junki Kono. So he will be the one singing in the first day, singing all by himself for the first time in a special arrangement only for the first day. So this is very exciting. So he will be singing Mugendai, and the name of the artist is Junki Kono. Okay guys, if you're new to our channel, you're very much welcome to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button so that you will be notified every time we have a new video. So let's get started!
Maybe he's nervous.
Yeah. Exciting.
いつもはメンバー11人で歌ってるんですけど、今日は僕一人でそれをアコースティックバージョンで目の前にお客さんがいっぱいいると思って楽しんで、一発で楽しんで歌いたいなって思います。お願いします。着々と上げてく、それがみんな抜け出してくんだ。深い深いとこまで全てが変わって生まれ変わる。
Wait, the intro, I have to replay. The intro is already good. I love the instruments.
The guitar.
Yeah, the guitar, the instruments.
Well,
wow.
how many will work, but yeah.
Sounds really good.
Well.
Wow.
Even though he looked quite nervous.
Yeah, but
you could hear him.
Yeah.
Swallow his head.
But he did well. He did
his voice
well.
is
Yeah.
very nice also.
Yeah. We have to rewind a bit.
Yes.
深い深いとこまで全てが変わって生まれ変わる。 Baby baby to lose control、 月が照らす道、限りない夢をつかめ、もう You know who I am。 目を閉じたら広がる世界が見えてくる。
I love the beat of the song. It's like you want to dance, and wow, this
and
is
his voice and everything.
Yeah, and the sound's really good. The melody is really good. Wow, this is really good.
と叫べ、壊せ起き上がれ、もっと光れ Grow up、 可能性試せ、燃え立つ炎、本当の自分を見せて無限大。
I love it!
無限
And the chorus, this is the chorus Mugendai. This is very catchy. Mugendai. Oh god.
Yeah, and something happened here also.
Yeah, it's
something, a new instrument came
yeah.
along also.
立つ炎、本当の自分を見せて無限大。無限大。 月を見てほしいよ、無限のパワー、起き上がれ、もっといけ、このままクッキーネバスト無限大。
mugendai just sounds really good. And this instruments, what instruments is this,
Well,
guys?
I don't know if it's some kind of electric self-made
yeah.
instrument of a female voice. I don't know.
Yeah, but it sounds really good.
Oh, so oh,
Something like that. Yeah, it sounds really good. So guys, you have to continue.
Baby baby to lose control 止まるなんて知らない限界を超える瞬間もう you know who I am 目を
It's like there's a rap mixture of this song. He's trying to, is it? He's doing a rap.
oh
yeah.
maybe.
したら広がる世界が見えてくる叫べ壊せ起き上がれもっと光れ Grow up 可能性試せ燃え立つ炎を本当の自分を見せて無限大
I want to post. I really love the chorus. It's really good. The chorus is the best. Mugendai. Wow. I have.
Mugendai.
Yeah. You have to rewind a bit.
燃え立つ炎を本当の自分を見せて無限大無限大月を見てほしいよ無限のパワー起き上がれもっといけこのままクッキーネバスト無限大 Yeah
It's really good. He was also a very good singer. I love his voice.
Some
and
kind of a happy summer song or
yeah,
something like that.
Yeah. A very happy song. It's like you want to dance, you want to move. You can't avoid not to move. Yes. Mugendai.
が晴れて広がっていく未来不可能はない Let's go 無限大 もう止まらない旗を振れ
This part he was also sing very high.
How can you stop right there?
I'm sorry, I have
to rewind. Yes.
Yeah. Because I want to say that he also sing very high this part.
And now he tries
to sing it
go even higher.
Yeah, even higher.
And he's making a little of a pressure on himself. But,
yeah.
It seems it goes well.
Yeah. It's also cute, huh?
無限大無限大
Yeah, mugendai.
Mugendai.
What's the meaning of mugendai? I am curious. It's done.
Yeah, it's done.
Yeah. I am curious what is the meaning of mugendai, but you know,
could probably look it up.
Yeah. They will you have to tell us, guys.
Okay. You can do that also.
Yeah. But anyway, guys, thank you for this song.
Arigato.
Yeah, the first take, another new artist, and he is really good.
To us, a new artist.
A new artist to us.
Maybe not to you.
Yeah,
out there.
but he is really good. The song is really good. The melody, the chorus is wow. The chorus is superb. So if the may say, it's
what?
Superb.
Superb, yes.
Yeah, that was really good, and it's catchy, and he is a good singer. Mugendai. So this kind of song, if you as a viewers, if you see a first, first time this kind of song, if you already remember it, so it means that this song is good. So, and I remember this is the first time that we hear him sing, and we can already remember.
Yes, again, I don't think that you should keep these kind of songs to yourself in Japan.
Yeah,
it's a shame.
Yeah,
because I think it has some kind of international sound that could go well around the world.
Yeah, I hope it's popular.
It is in Japanese, so
yeah. You know, guys, if he has other songs, let us know, because
probably in his group.
Yeah, in his group. We don't know his group, so probably you can tell us, guys, about this him or his group. So guys, thank you for watching our reaction video. I hope you like our reaction video. If you have any suggestions, a new video of him or his group, you can always write into the comment section, or you can also write to our Facebook page, NielsensTv. So it's easier for me to find your request. And that's all for now, and thank you for watching our reaction video, and we are looking forward to read your comments and suggestions. And that's all for now, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Bye bye.
Sayonara.